You use your influence for mission. Encourage younger members. Lead Bible studies. And be approachable and kind. We are so strict in the camp, but still remain to be approachable. Because at the end of the day, it's people ang ating business. We make business with these people to be brought to Christ. Look at the compass. A compass does not point itself, but it always points to the north. That is why, kita nga mga master guide should always point people to Jesus. Amen? 1 minute to 12 o'clock. Last, commit to the call. Commit to the call. Ang pagpanawag sa Ginoo mga kauturan, isang oportunidad. Hindi lang tanan itawag, hindi man tanan ang itawag, nakabati. Kaya ang munda'y tao doon, inang nagpabukol-bukol ka nakabati. But to be called is a privilege. To be chosen is also a gift. See Isaiah. Si Isaiah ang response niya. Here am I, Lord, send me.